Hello guys, today I have a project that I was waiting for because my garage was really busy. I was trucking so much, and what I have here, it's AngelHalo. So it's a long light that I was thinking to put here under the cabinet, so it will look nice and it's going to be so much of a light here. So let's try to install it. So it's 16 feet long. It's going to be plenty, so I'll probably make it around 2 times or something, so we'll see how it will go. So here's the RGB lights. Here's the 110 power safety thingy. So it's power here. Have a remote, and that's where the power goes to. Right here, manual, automatic. Right here, and I believe you can do it from the phone as well to change some kind of colors or something. Here is some brackets, and brackets, this kind of brackets, hardware, more bolts and nuts. Have a manual. Yeah, so you can connect to your phone, and you can choose like bunch of other what you can do, like different colors. Scan it, log in, register, and if you have some other product, and I have other products from same kind of company too. And the last box. So this is actually what make everything looks beautiful. They're really stuck. So, take off this one. So basically, you put in your RGB light right here, and then you snap it. Let me do that. So you basically it's a locking kind of a design. Let me do it again. So it's gonna be easier when it's installed. Have a 3M, or you can put the screws. So eventually it's supposed to be looks like this. So it's locking right here. Have a more of a lip here. So I'm just trying to show you guys how it actually snaps on its place. Yeah, but so basically it's like snaps like just like so. So we're putting the screws all the way, just like so. And what I was also showing you, it can go tube to tube. It's not gonna be even not noticeable, but if you want to do like angles or something, Then what you can do, also use this kind of thingy to do the angle. So you can do light like here, like so, and the other light goes on the bottom. Or we have like this kind of, this one, if it goes like so, and you need to go like so. So there is a few options what you can do, and this is the ends. Ends is goes over it, like so. So we have two ends, and this kind of bracket for L shape like this way, or L shape like this way. So if you have something like this, but this one goes somewhere like this. Oh well, so let's go ahead and drill, or I might use the 3M tape or something, and just keep going. Boom, 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 boom. I have a long way to go. So from here all the way there. So it's about 10 feet easy. Yeah, 10, more than 10 feet. So what we do about lights? So this is not waterproofed, as you can see it. You can feel the chips. It's good, really good. And we have a connector right here, and it goes to our. It fell down. So connector goes like this. So when we are in the tube, so this one it's it's not have to be slided. So just like so inside, and it have also gluing part. It's a 3M, and you can cut in places. So just like so. Let's go ahead and install it all the way and see how it will turn out. Let's do it. So I found the best, because it's not all the way glued. I just, with a knife, I'm cutting it off, that 3M tape, and I'll just use screws. So for my application it's worth the best thing. So let's see, let me get you guys better angle. So right here. So how I found out that the best way to do it, every application is different. So if you have a small drill bit or something, I don't have it, I'm marking it with the screw. And screw. So you have to do like small pilot hole, like really. So really small pilot hole. Where's the other one? Right here. Okay. Then taking your hardware. They're really small, guys. Like, OMG, I lost so many under the table there. It's insane how small everything is. But the smaller it is, it's more of the hiding. So I put the screw right here. Too far. Okay, a little bit more tight. Okay, one more small screw. I already did the pilot hole. About to lose. Whew. Saved it. So this is gonna be a little bit challenging, guys. A little bit challenging. But the result will be okay. So how you locking it? Basically, it's supposed to be go right on top, snap, 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 and we're good to go. So, just like so. So basically, our light, strip light goes inside. There is double side tape, you take it off. So it's supposed to be something like this. Something like this. And then this one goes right on top. And it's hidden. It looks good. We have to do maybe 5 more and we will be good to go. Okay, so I'm not putting the 3M to actually where it's supposed to be, because I was thinking that I'm gonna rearrange my cabinets, and I was thinking to put a TV. I have 2 TVs that I want to put it on. So, but how the people saying the temporary will be forever. So let's hope for it's not forever, but for couple of months at least. But I think it's going to be more than a couple of months. So this is how easy it actually goes in, like really easy, guys, really easy. Snap, 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 and we're good to go. Few more steps and we are all set. We'll plug in power, and then let's go ahead here, here. I plugged in here. Let's continue, go. And just like that. Where is our remote? It doesn't have a batteries. Nah, kind of sucks, but oh well. Let's choose a mode. Let me put you guys further to see what is going on around here. Oh, this is like when you talk, it does this kind of motion. It's pretty cool. What is another? Hey, same thing, like this is dizzy. Dizzy mode. Motion too. Very cool too. Okay, so I guess with a remote that we would have more options, but here is good too. This is nice light. I'm just playing around. It's very nice. So here we go, guys. Here we go. So this is the light. Looks beautiful. Because you see the lights here, every single one is because it's not glued in. If it's supposed to be glued in, then we would not see those dots. But otherwise, it looks good. Here we go, guys. Easy install.